Teacher Ray here. I'm back to answer another of your Howell Group Class teaching questions. Yay!
This episode is brought to you by the word edutainment.
Sorry, Pinky. It's not about puppets. Edutainment is a blending of education and entertainment. Its purpose is to make education entertaining, engaging, interesting, fun. What does edutainment have to do with our Howell GC lessons, you might ask? Well, let's start by looking at the question submitted by one of our fellow Howell GC teachers. How do I get the students' full attention when they are so stressed out with lots of homework? When people are stressed, particularly children, it can be difficult to focus for long periods of time. That's where edutainment comes in. Think about children's educational television, especially those hour-long programs. What magic method do they use to keep their viewers engaged for such a long period of time? There isn't one. There isn't one, as in only one. The most successful children's edutainment shows break the episodes up into several short scenes. Then they differentiate each scene to keep their young viewers engaged. They not only deliver the information in different ways, but also incorporate different moods and tones. And most scenes last no more than a few minutes. This timing is deliberate. Children have short attention spans. So the shows are careful to make each scene short and different. You see where I'm going with this, right? Yeah, exactly. We can use this same technique with our lessons. Yeah! In fact, our Howell GC lessons are already broken down into scenes. Sections. And just like the scenes in children's edutainment shows, our lesson sections are specifically designed to both break up the lesson and be different from each other. We can help them be even more different. For example, the songs can usually be conducted as a group playtime activity with a playful feel and lots of high energy, yeah, movement and singing, happy, happy, happy. Then, maybe we settle down into a thoughtful mood for the vocabulary and take things a bit slower, so everyone gets a chance to talk and learn from each other. So this section might be conversational. The games add competition and things usually speed up. Go, 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 go. Yeah! Woohoo! We may need to slow down again for grammar. And this section can often be conducted, all together as a group. Maybe we can turn it into a sing-along. Oh, sing the sentence patterns. Or get them moving. Maybe they can clap along with some of the grammars, or clap when they see a certain grammar like an adjective or a verb. How about some suspense for the grammar and sentence pattern activities? Can you do it? Do you know the answer? Or maybe this is where we can bring in a secondary reward game. The Let's Talk stories can be anything from silly to serious, as everyone takes turns reading different roles. Some of my students like to do it as a puppet show. And okay, Pinky, so maybe there's a little bit about puppets. Yeah. Showtime, production, could be different depending on the specific activity. Free talk would probably be more laid back than a role play activity. Some Showtime activities have the bomb. See how each section can become even more differentiated based on how they are delivered, how the teacher conducts them? Ooh, we can break down our lessons even further than that. Think about it. Different vocabulary might be best suited for different delivery methods, right? I mean, would you teach the phrase put on in the exact same way as you would the word sunny? Supper in the same way you would teach quarter? Or Australia in the same way as envy? Probably not. The activities often lend to differentiation as well. That card flipping activity just has an entirely different feel than the scrambled sentences. And those movement activities, perfect for changing up both mood and tone. Let's move. Want to learn more about edutainment? Check out the Howo Homeroom blog article, How to Use Edutainment in Your Howo Lessons, by teacher Mary C., linked below this video. And now it's time for wrap up. To summarize, engaging and re-engaging the attention of our students can often be accomplished through the same techniques as those used in edutainment. That being differentiation of the multiple sections. By differentiating how we conduct each lesson section, we can help keep our students engaged in each section. And if they begin to lose interest, we will have better success at re-engaging them because the next section of the lesson will be completely different. We want our students to feel as if their time with us has sped by. We can do that by conducting a single lesson as if it were several short lessons, each one different from the next in mood, tone, activities, etc. As Howo GC teachers, we all want our students to pay attention to the lessons, because when they pay attention, they learn better. So I want to thank this teacher for submitting the question that inspired this episode. Do you have a question about student engagement, differentiated teaching, or any other question related to Howo GC teaching? Click on the survey link below this video to submit your question to Ask Teacher Ray. See you next time. Goodbye. Clap, clap, clap your hands as quickly as you can. Ow! Ow, my hands are sore.
Again.
Ow!
Again.
Again, it hurts.
Again. Two again. Two again.
Clap, clap, clap your hands as slowly as you can.
Clap, clap, clap your hands as quickly as you can. Ow!
Teacher Ray, Teacher
All right.
Ray,
Yes,
Teacher Ray, are you from America?
yes, I live in America. Here's a picture of,
USA,
here's Teacher Ray in Las Vegas. That's me.
Wow!
I live in America.
Teacher is very, very beautiful.
Aw,
Yes.
The noodles.
my hair looks like noodles. Yes, it does. Whoa! Activity, let's get those stars!
This train has maybe 2 rail cars.
That was excellent. Nicely done. Maybe 2 because we can only see. Yeah, that was good. Nice thinking. Well done. Okay, are you ready?
Yes. Oh!
Computer, I have 3 students. Already had a turn. Hey! Computer,
I'm happy. I'm very happy.
You're very happy.
Computer,
Computer, no!